ये केले का फूल है, इसे हिंदी में मोचा बोलते हैं।
मोचा।
मोचा।
ओके।
इसको ऐसे पील करना है। पील करने से इसके अंदर में इस तरह से, ये देखो,
ये इसके फ्लावर्स है क्या?
फ्लावर्स हैं, देखो।
ओके, वाओ नाइस।
ये इस तरह से हम इसको इकट्ठा कर लेंगे जहाँ तक ये निकल रहा है। इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर ब्लड।
गुड फॉर ब्लड।
या होमोग्लोबिन। हेल्दी फूड एंड वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू पीलिंग टिल strong part of it will come. See, has. This is okay. Just you get it in the market.
Wow, I can also make this now. Never seen this.
Is it
I've
there?
never seen this.
I think we should get this in Pune.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very healthy. Very good for her.
But I never knew how to make this, so never bought it.
Really get that.
Good. Today I will
See.
know the recipe. Wow, this looks beautiful, no? Wow. And these are the petals.
Petals. Yes.
Petals. Wow.
Now it's okay. Now
Such a big petal. Look at the size.
I will stop peeling because we have got that strong part now. No. This
Okay.
will cut into
Pieces.
Now after this peeling, this is directly not cooked. What is done here is you have to take this glass and see.
क्या है इसके अंदर?
You pull, there is a stem. See, if you pull this one, this outer part, okay, you will get this one.
Okay.
This one has
ये
to be
रखना
removed. This
है.
is hard. This one has to be removed.
Removed. Okay.
And this one.
Petals again.
This
Small
one,
petals,
small
no?
petal.
Okay.
Okay, and this whole thing we are going to cut again pieces.
Okay.
So you do like this. You get a petal here, small one. This is hard. Okay.
So we'll keep the petals, no?
Yeah, and this one you have to remove.
Remove. ये निकाल देना है. Okay.
Material part. So many we have to remove now.
My God. That's a
It is
task.
but it is very healthy. Okay. After removing this all, we'll cut into small pieces, and then we're going to put turmeric and salt. And keep it for some times, just for 10 minutes, and then boil it.
Okay.
In a pressure cooker. So this is called mocha in Bengali, and Hindi I think it's called kela ka phool.
केले का फूल.
This should be removed. This is hard. You say that you can
Task. कट करना है सबको. सही. ये कड़क पार्ट है ना, इसके बाद और ये फूल नहीं निकलता है इसके बाद. सो यू हैव टू कट इट लाइक दिस.
very careful and good.
And the sabzi is ready.